Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Unlock your phone and open settings because the password lives in the hotspot or network controls. Once done, tap Wi-Fi or network and internet, then hotspot and tethering or personal hotspot. You need permission to change hotspot settings. Grant it when asked. This gets you to the screen that shows the hotspot name and where the password is configured. Make sure Bluetooth and mobile data are on so the hotspot option appears, and you can view or edit the password. Next, reveal the password itself. On Android, tap Configure Hotspot or Set up Wi-Fi Hotspot and you'll see a password field or QR code. Scan or tap the code to share. On iPhone, go to Settings Personal Hotspot and you should see the Wi-Fi password entry or a share button. Use AirDrop or the QR option if available. These steps show the actual string so you can copy it. If you plan to change it, type a stronger password now and save the changes. Finally, use that shown password to connect your laptop or tablet right away. Enter it exactly, including capitalization. If you prefer, change it to a stronger but memorable password in the same hotspot configuration panel, then save. If another device can't join, make sure mobile data and tethering are enabled. Once done, toggle the hotspot off and on and restart your phone if needed. If problems persist, check carrier tethering restrictions or reset network settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.